Hello friends, welcome to Infinity. Today I will tell you about 10 creatures whom you couldn't believe exist in reality. Number 10, Mangalista pig. It's a pig in sheep's clothing. The birthplace of this curly haired pig is Hungary, where it was discovered in the mid of 19th century. Their body color might be black or red, but they are most commonly blonde. Tragically, it was nearly extinct by the 1990s. That time, fewer than 200 pigs were found in Hungary because of its delicious meat. But nowadays, the future of the Mangalista looks much brighter. Number 9, Rhinopithecus or golden snub-nosed monkey. In this species, there is a huge difference between male and female. The males are twice heavier than the females and of different colors. The girls have brown or even black tone in their forehead and upper part, and the infants have such a light coat that it seems white in the sunlight. Number 8, Emperor Tamarin. This guy looks like a real emperor or a wise old man with his fabulous mustache. The size of these cute little things are only 10 inches or 26 centimeter, but the tail can be 16 inches or 40 centimeter long. They lived in groups with 4 to 20 animals and often give birth to twins. Then other members of the family took care of them. They are not totally vegetarian. Besides flowers, fruits, nectars, they eat frogs, snails, and often small birds. Number 7, Patagonian Mara. If you think that this is a cross between kangaroo and hare, then think again. While females give birth to babies, male protect them from enemies. These animals grown like guinea pigs. If you startle them, these animals can leap up to 6 feet or 182 centimeter in the air. What is your record jump? Number 6, Fluffy cow. There are few secrets about this sweet toy-like animal. First of all, it's not a new breed. All these cows are existing from such breeds we already know. The thing is that they look after by special people whose duty is to wash, dry and use products to style these animals. That's why they look so fluffy. It is necessary to maintain them daily. They need months of regular grooming and then they get such a lovely look of kids toy. It is done mostly for shows. Number 5, Markhor goat. They grow at least 6 feet or 180 centimeter in length. But the most shocking is that their horns can grow up to 5.2 feet or 1.6 meters long. That's truth for males who use their horns while fighting during mating season. Female horns grow only up to 10 inch or 25 centimeter long. They eat only grass, fruits, leaves and flowers. Number 4, raccoon dog. Despite of having raccoon-like fur on their body, they are not related to North American raccoons. They are closely related to domesticated dogs, wolves, and foxes. Raccoons dwell closely in their family. When the female is pregnant, the partner brings food for her and even flowers. Nobody has seen it, so it might not be true. Raccoons are unique because they are the only mammals in the dog family which go into short periods of hibernation, and they even bed with pairs. Also, their voice is so cute. Number 3, blue-footed booby. You can find these amazing cartoon-like birds in Galapagos Island. These birds are excellent at flying and swimming. They have amazing mating style. The male perform an amazing dance to attract the female one, and if the female is attracted, then she comes to the male and join the dancing. The blue foots of these birds have exact scientific explanation. It comes from the bird's fish diet and indicates their healthy immune system. What's the color of their feet? Malayan Kalugo. These animals are also known as flying lemur, but both these are wrong. It doesn't fly, nor is it a lemur. But why such a name? Kalugo has a large gliding membrane like flying squirrel, and they can glide far distance between trees. These animals can typically weigh 2.5 to 4.5 pounds or 1 to 2 kg. As they live in trees, they are very apt climbers, but not so strong. and it is the turn of number 1. It is Venezuelan poodle moth. This moth was only discovered in 2009. Doesn't it look like a furry poodle? Mammals has fur to make their body warm, but insects are cold-blooded. Moreover, this insect doesn't belong from Siberia, it is in Venezuela. Sometimes insects have furs to protect themselves, but why these poodle moths have fur, scientists are not yet successful to solve it. So if you have any idea about that, write it in the comment section. So today, if you have learned something new and different, give a like to the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel to get